So this case for the A15 is awesome if you want something that's a little bit more rugged, that can take a beating, and it has a couple options. One of them is the camera slide. As you can see right here, this is the 3 cameras on the A15, and you can slide it close, or you can have it open. And there's this little ribs right here to make it easier to slide. And of course you have the ring hole to have a better grip on the phone. As you see, this phone case has kind of a rubberized texture right here, and this is some sort of plastic or something like that, some sort of soft touch plastic. And back here, as you can see, there's more like this rubberized feeling, and it helps keep the phone very easy to grip in your hand. I have no problem holding it. It's very sturdy, but this is a little bit hard to take out, so something to keep in mind. The case did come with this screen protector. It's not the best. As you can see, it doesn't fully line up into the ends of the phone screen. There is a little gap here and there. And I'm gonna pull out the cover. There are some bubbles here and there. That's just a shoddy job. That's just not a good job on me putting on the screen protector. So there are some bubbles that you can squeegee out, but the main culprit of this is just the gap in between each side. And this is too big for the phone. As you can see, it kind of cuts into the camera a little bit. But in terms of the case itself, there's a lip on the edge of the phone. So when you put it down, it's not gonna hit the screen. But overall, this case is very solid, and it's a really nice color. Very similar to the color of this phone, this black blue color. So it's sort of iodized blue, magenta, blue, purple color, really nice. And the buttons right here, as you can see, they're push buttons, right? They're just kind of little cutlets, nice clicking sound. And that you have access to your power button right here that's exposed. But it works just fine.